Everyone is talking about AI for coding. ChatGPT, Claude Code. But here's the real question. Which one actually helps when you're working on a real project? Not a toy example, not a single function, a real code base. So let's test it. Same project, same bug, two AIs. The setup. Imagine you have a project. Multiple files, dependencies, a bug that only shows up at runtime. Before AI, you'd search Google, read Stack Overflow, add console logs, get frustrated. Now we have AI. So let's try ChatGPT first. ChatGPT in action. ChatGPT lives in a chat window. So what do? You copy a file, paste it, explain the folder structure, paste the error, explain what you think is happening. ChatGPT replies. The answer is pretty good. It suggests fixes, explains concepts, gives sample code. But then you realize something. It doesn't actually see your project. It's guessing based on what you told it. Miss one detail, wrong answer. Change another file, you have to explain again. Helpful, but fragile. Now let's try Claude Code. Claude Code lives in your terminal. Same project, same bug. But this time, Claude can actually read your files, see your folders, understand dependencies, follow imports. You ask one question. Why is this API failing? Claude looks around, checks related files, connects the dots. And the answer feels different. Not just a suggestion, but a diagnosis. It points to this file, that function, this mismatch. No copy-paste, no long explanations, just context. The real difference. ChatGPT is like a smart consultant. You explain the problem, it gives advice. Claude Code is like a teammate sitting in your repo. It sees what you see and what you forgot to mention. That's the difference. Not intelligence, context. So, who wins? Here's the honest answer. ChatGPT is amazing for learning concepts, quick questions, exploring ideas, writing isolated code. Claude Code shines when you're debugging, refactoring, understanding legacy code, working in real projects. One isn't replacing the other. They solve different problems. Final thought. So when someone asks, is Claude Code better than ChatGPT? Don't think rivalry. Think tools. ChatGPT helps you think. Claude Code helps you ship. And knowing when to use which is the real developer skill in 2026.